Hey there, hi there, ho there. It's Gord, your hurtin' hippie, and it is a foggy, cool, and quiet day. This is my first time heading out in the fog in a long time. It's not a thick fog. Like, you can see right there where we got about 500 feet of visibility, I guess. But it's beautiful. It smells nice. It's damp. It's cool. I need to zip that up. It's kind of cold. And what's going on today? I'm on my way now to go get groceries because it's Sunday. I am a man of routine. I am a routinated person. And since I got rid of my vehicle, Sunday has been grocery day. Last week I did it on a Saturday, I think, because of something else happening on Sunday, and I was just lost. I need to do things the same mostly all the time. Is it OCD? Not really, because I don't go crazy. I don't get sick in my mind, like worry, but I do. I guess I'm on the verge of OCD because I like things to remain the same. So, friends, let's go on a little trip, and let's hope that I can turn up the music and show you some good stuff. Here we go. Just turning it down for a sec to let you know my bus is a half hour away. So it's only 20 minutes to walk there. Off I go. So stay tuned. Lots more to go. why don't we let that music nicely just die away, slowly calm down. That was peaceful music for a really quiet and wonderful day. I hope your Sunday rocked too, and now it's Monday, Holiday Monday, Labor Day in Canada, and tomorrow's the beginning of school. Cheers to school. It's the beginning of things, it's the end of things. You know, my son gets to spend his days with people his own age instead of his old man. He spent most of the summer, although lucky boy, spent 3 weeks in Riga, Latvia, traveling around. He spent the rest of his summer with this old guy, learning, talking. We did not let the summer go to waste. We taught him a lot of programming. We also taught him video editing. The boy and I worked really hard together to continue the education that he likes so much. He loves school. He really does. He just had a hard year last year with a teacher who really didn't respect him, yet commanded respect from him. And to a logical mind like my young boy, that doesn't make sense. If you don't give out respect, you don't get it back. I had the same trouble in school. So of course, I meet tomorrow with mixed feelings. I worry that I don't know who the teacher will be, what his classroom will be. I get the same worries that I think every kid has before school starts. Mostly because I care. I care a lot. But I'm also just really excited for him to get to play again and be a boy again. And the wonderful things you learn. Grade 6, last year of elementary school, becoming a young man. And I'm proud of this young man. If I say much more, I'm going to have tears. And mornings can be weepy for me. So I'm trying to push past that. Because that doesn't help my boy at all. He's also going to start walking to school instead of taking the bus. He says he still hopes that I can see him in the morning. Because as he put it, I love your morning pep talks, Dad. So he may live with his mom, but I'm still going to try to make sure every morning I can meet him outside of his house just to say, hey, you got it, boy. You got it. This day will rock because you rock. So things are getting back to normal. I'm not sure I'm ready for normal, you know? But ready or not, here it comes. And friends, I wish you a really good Monday. I hope you're all doing well. And remember, thumbs up. No little known facts today. I want the boys to sleep in. It's the last day of summer vacation. I want Pasha to sleep in. So I'm out here instead of in there. And I'm not going to go back and forth. So I hope you'll forgive me. No little known facts today, but I do think that was a good montage. It deserves a thumbs up. Peace and cheers, friends. Love and harmony. Catch you on the other side.